GDPR Project Manager. As a GDPR Project Manager, I manage the implementation of GDPR project in the organisation to ensure full compliance with all process and procedures. My responsibilities include coordinating activities for the client's operations to deliver against the requirements of GDPR regulations, engaging with senior stakeholders to influence change solutions to meet the goals of the project, ensuring successful project delivery from initiation through to closure, within agreed organisational standards and guidelines, leading and contributing to the initial definition, and impact assessment and estimation of project concepts and ideas. I am accountable for the production of the high-level solution definition for prioritised work packages. I deliver projects utilising project management techniques to ensure the delivery and achievement of planned outputs to support the achievement of strategic business objectives. It's my responsibility to take ownership of key strategic projects and work streams, from scoping to delivery and including cross-functional engagement, and stakeholder management, ensuring quality, cost and timescales are prioritised as appropriate. And finally, I plan for and manage project risks, issues and dependencies to maximise likelihood of project success, escalating upwards where necessary. With over 5,000 success stories and 30+ new roles secured each month. Discover your digital talent at www.careerinsights.tv.